welcome again to my channel. This is Mom Yvette, and I'm here now to teach you the lesson about the laws of exponents. Okay, are you ready now? Let's start. When multiplying monomials, you will often use these laws of exponents. Let us first have product of a power. This law states that a raised to n times a raised to m equals a raised to n plus m. So what does it mean? To multiply powers having the same base, you just copy the base or keep the base and then add the exponents. Let's have some examples. Number 1, x cubed times x cubed. So first, copy the base x and then add 3 plus 3. So that is x raised to the 6th power. Number 2, a cubed times a squared times a to the 4th power. Again, the base is a, copy a and then add 3 plus 2 plus 4. So the answer is a raised to the 9th power. Number 3, 3 squared times 3. So the base is 3 and then the exponent 2 plus 1. So we all know na pag walang exponent, understood that it is 1. So we have 3 cubed. And then simplify 3 cubed. 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Then number 4, multiply negative 8 y raised to the 5th power by 2y squared. So, first, multiply the coefficients negative 8 and 2. Negative 8 times 2, then y, and then add the exponent 5 plus 2. So, negative 8 times 2 is negative 16. So, the final answer is negative 16 y raised to the 7th power. Okay, so that is the first law. Next law, we have power of a power. So, this law states that quantity a raised to m raised to n equals a raised to mm. So, in here, to find the power of a base, just keep again the base and then multiply the exponent. So, by this time, hindi na natin i-add yung exponent natin but instead, i-multiply natin. So, let's see these examples. For number 1, we have quantity b squared raised to the 4th power. So, the base is b and then multiply 2 and 4. 2 times 4, that is b raised to the 8th power. Number 2, quantity 2 cubed raised to 2. The base is 2 and then 3 times 2. That is 2 raised to the 6th power. Again, let's simplify this. It means 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And 32 times 2 is 64. Next, quantity m squared a raised to 2. So again, keep the base m and then 2a times 2. That is m raised to the 4th a. Okay, that is the second law. And then for the last law, we have power of a product. So this states that quantity a raised to m, b raised to n, raised to p is equal to a raised to mp times b raised to np. Examples. So we have a cubed, b to the fourth power, c raised to the fifth power squared. So to find the power of a product, just find the power of each factor and then multiply the resulting powers. So in here we have three variables. So multiply the exponent one by one. We have 3 times 2 is a raised to the sixth power. 4 times 2 for the variable b. So that is b raised to the 8th. And then for c we have 5 times 2. We have c raised to the 10th power. So that is the final answer. For number 2, we have quantity 5b squared raised to the third power. So, just copy the coefficient 5 and then ilagay natin yung exponent natin sa labas na 3. So, that will be 5 cubed. And then, 2 times 3. So, we have b raised to the 6th power. Again, simplify this. That means 5 times 5 is 25. And then, 25 times 5, that is 125. b raised to the 6th power. For number 3, quantity 2x cubed raised to 3. So, copy the coefficient 2 and then raised to 3. Then multiply 3 times 3. That is x raised to the 9th power. Simplify 2 cubed. That means 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So, we have 8x raised to the 9th power. For the last example, we have quantity negative 3b squared raised to the fourth power. So, again, copy the coefficient negative 3 and then raise it to 4 and then multiply 2 times 4. So, we have b raised to the 8th power. Simplify this. That means negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Positive 9 times negative 3, negative 27. And then negative 27 times negative 3, that is already positive. So the answer is positive 81, b raised to the 8th power. So those are the laws of exponents. Now, let's have a game. You can get scratch paper if you want, o kaya pwedeng sa isip na lang dahil madadali lang naman yung question natin. So, this time, I will give you 3 choices. Mamimili kayo dyan. And then, I'll give you 15 minutes to do each problem. Okay? So, for number 1, simplify 2 cubed times 2 squared. So again, 15 seconds for that problem. Your time starts now. Okay. Pwedeng mag-scratch paper. Let's see your answer. If your answer is A, okay, I'm sorry. B, okay, if that is your answer, you're awesome. Let's see the solution. So, ano ginawa natin dito? It's very easy. Just add the exponent 3 plus 2. So, that will be 2 raised to the 5th power. That means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 32. Okay, next problem. Again, for 15 seconds, x raised to the 4th power times x raised to the 5th power. Your time starts now. Okay, you can pause the video while you are solving if you want. Pero madali lang naman to. Okay, let's try A. If your answer is letter A, So that is the correct answer. Good job. Okay, we simply add 4 plus 5. So x raised to the 9th power. Next, simplify y raised to the 4th times y cubed times y. So again, 15 seconds. Go. 5 seconds. Okay, let's try letter A. So that is incorrect. B, incorrect. So the answer is letter C. You're right. So the solution is you just add 4 plus 3 plus 1. So that is y raised to the 8th power. Next, simplify quantity x raised to 100 power cube. Go. 5 seconds. Let's check your answer. If your answer is letter A, so that's wrong, sorry. B, good job. That is the correct answer. So the solution is you just multiply 103. So 100 times 3 is 300. X raised to the 300 power. Next, 5x cubed times 4x. Your time starts now. Let's try A. So that is the correct answer. Excellent. So how is that? Multiply the coefficients 5 and 4. 5 times 4 is 20 and then add 3 plus 1, 4. So 20x raised to the 4th power. Then simplify quantity negative 4x squared y cubed raised to 3. Go. Time's up. If your answer is A, you are wrong. Nice try. B, nice try. Letter C, that is the correct answer. Very good. Let's see the solution. So you just raise negative 4 to cube. That means negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16 times negative 4, that is negative 64. And then multiply 2 times 3, that is 6, and 3 times 3, that is 9. So the answer is negative 64 x raised to the 6th power y raised to the 9th power. Okay, so that's all for today, and see you to our next session. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.